this is Donnie, and this is video number 3 for the Cyber Monday Black Friday Diamond Art Club releases. I have someone here who wants to say hi real quick.
Hi. Oh, and my elf's here.
Speak louder.
My elf's here and my elf Sprinkle's sitting on the tree near a Santa ornament.
Yeah, her elf on the shelf. His name is Sprinkles. He's sitting in the tree next to a what ornament?
Santa. I thought that was a girl that I picked out.
No.
Did you know there's a girl one?
Yes, there is a girl one.
And I forgot to pick it out because I couldn't know which one was the girl and which one was the boy.
Oh, okay.
You should have told me that.
Well, you picked him out years ago when you were like 5.
Or 4.
Yeah, or 4. Okay.
Or 3.
Okay. I'm going to show them this new diamond painting now.
That you got from Black Friday?
Yep.
Tomorrow is 16 more days until my birthday, and tomorrow's December 1st.
That's right. Bye, Tesslynn.
Bye.
All right, so the diamond painting that I'm showing in this video is called Rococo Dream by Enys Guerrero, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you these drills real quick because I forgot to show them at the end of the video, so I'm going to show them first. And if I can find the opening. And as you can see here, yeah, there's very few colors. It's mainly dark, but you can see that pink in there. All right, let's take a look. I mean, like I said, it's a very pale image, so you're not going to have a lot of colors to see, but I'll show you anyway for those that like to see it. If you don't want to see it, go ahead and fast forward, and you can go on to seeing the canvas. Let me zoom you in real quick. All right, so brown, brown, gray, something brown, purple. Oh, that's the only 550. I was hoping there would be more. But there's a little bit of 550 there. And some cream, 939. A little bit of pink there. More browns. Browns, off-white, or antique white, whatever you want to call it. And then we've got our blacks, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310 black and 3 bags of 415 gray. And last strip, we have these colors here, gray, gray, gray. 2 bags of 317, and here is our pale pink that will be in those those areas where I pointed out. That AB colored pink, very pale. That's the palest pink I've seen. And then we've got big bags of these gray colors and the brown black. So far there's 4 bags of that. Yep, looks like that's it. And then here's a biggish bag of pink. And 3 bags of 414. And then another bag of pretty baby pink. So pink and gray, I mean, those colors go good together. 318. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of that. And then a bag of 413. Alright, so back to your regularly programmed video already in session. So I was reading on Diamond Art Club's page on Facebook the different reactions to this diamond painting, and you know, this is one of those that's either you love it or you hate it, and I love it. That's why I picked it, and I hope that whether you like it or love it, you can just appreciate the art and pass on it if it's not something you like. But let me know what you think of it either way. And this is square as well, as indicated by the big square on the box. Whoops. Here is our inventory. It doesn't have a ton of colors. It's got 29 colors, and there are 2 AB. And this one said it had 1 as well, but there are 2. No, wait. No, there is 1. Sorry. 127 is the AB on this. It looks like a pale pink, number 1. But 29 colors, I'm surprised. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of different colors, but you can see that it does look like it's going to be quite a bit of confetti, because there's a lot of detail, especially in her hair. And then you've got the bird, and that background is not going to be one solid color. The ribbons, they have like lace, so there's going to be a lot of confetti in this, I am sure. And it's a very interesting image. I do believe this is the same artist that did the Alice that was either You Love It or You Hate It as well. So it looks like this artist, Enys Guerrero, is quite unique in his style. So I guess it'll be really easy to tell which is his. And I don't know that he's had any others on Diamond Art Club other than these 2. And I'm pretty sure that is who the artist was for the first one, the other one that I showed. All right, so this will start at the top, and if you want to know all the information about this beautiful canvas, the material, what's in the toolkit, and all the information about ABs and such, you can find all that information in my first video up here in the eye. It will pop up, and you can check that video to get all the information. I just put it in the first one because this is a 3-parter. So number 1 is the AB. And wow, look at that detail. Holy moly. That is just really impressive. Okay. Let's see. So it's a 56 by 76. I can get it widthwise in the screen. Yeah, your background, it's not too bad. I mean, this is all one color. This is all black here. So there's the little spots that aren't, but so there's a lot of color blocking there. But yeah, like I said, this is quite confetti, but still color blockable. Multi-place or usable, I should say. There is the AB runs through the ribbon, at least on this one, and it's the outline color or inline color of this here, and we have more of it here. And then you come over to this flower, this rose in her hair, and you've got more of the ABs. And you have a little bit right there in the middle of her. I think that's, let me see. Oh, it's actually a carousel. It's a carousel in her hair. Oh yeah, you can see that from the distance. You can see the horses. Wow, I just noticed that. I didn't even realize there was a carousel in her hair. That is interesting. I wonder if this is another version of Alice, or who this is, maybe a version, who this is his, who he was, what inspired this image. But there is more of the pink ABs in all these flowers in her hair. Yeah, she's got lots of flowers in there. So yeah. Up in here, that's another one of the roses. They're pale. It's pale pink. I mean, this whole image it has a pale look to it, but that face is so beautiful. Look at that. Where's the camera? There we are. And it just translates so well to this canvas. That beauty. It looks exactly like the picture. So yeah, all through the flowers, you're going to have that pink AB. There's a little bit in her forehead. Not sure how that'll turn out. Normally We don't put ABs in the actual face like that, but it's in the outline of this shaded area too. I'll be interested to see how that turns out. It's down here as well, all through this ribbon coming down here. And let's see, more in the dress. You've got it here. And let's see, where else do we have it? It doesn't look like it's in the curls because it's actually not in her hair itself. It's in the flowers in her hair, but it is in her dress. We have a little bit here on her throat, which is right where the glare is, on the choker. Right there. I think it's actually not on the choker itself, but it's one of them right there. There is a little bit right here, so I'm not sure if that's her hair or part of her dress because it's peeking through her hair right there. But then you see it on her shoulder in this rufflage going down. You see it in a few spots, and you've got it here, just one, and a little bit right here in the skull of this doll. Got a little bit more in her sleeve, the ruffles on her sleeve, some in the bows on the front of her dress. We've got, it stops on this ribbon here, about right, well no, you have a couple of spots down here a little further, okay. And then this is AB, this spot down here. That's in AB. And here and through the ruffles here, there's a little bit right there. A little bit in the foot of the bunny. And one right there. So they're here and there. It's not like it's a ton. And it's just kind of spread out throughout the image in different places. Probably to give it that extra, color and zap because of these colors are very, not real bright. They're more dull colors. And, the only bright colors you have a little bit of 550 purple. And then you've got a couple pinks. And the rest are really pale or brown or gray colors. So I think that sparkle will help bring out, just bring out the color. It kind of makes up for there not being a lot of color. It's going to have that sparkle throughout her dress that just is eye-catching. But I mean, this is the type of image that doesn't need color. It speaks in the colors that it has for what it is. I mean, I don't know the story behind it. It's just very interesting to me, and that's why I chose this one. But we do have a little bit more down here. I think that's another rose. So we have some right in this area, and then the ruffles on this side have some going down. So that's it for the ABs on this canvas. I mean, it's big, but it's not that ginormous. I mean, it's pretty big, but I'd say it's a medium big, not a big. It's not a small big or a big. It's a medium big. But, the colors actually kind of look goldish brown. And I didn't show the drill field on the previous ones because I was in such a hurry to try and get these all out to you. So hopefully you were able to catch this third video because I will show you what the drill area looks like on this one. This is so big it's hard for me to actually see what I'm showing you. But here you can see how clear those symbols are. And they are always this clear. They are like this no matter if you buy it today or tomorrow. I mean, some of the original stock, some stuff people may have had issues, but I haven't heard anyone having issues in the last year and a half of things that were printed in the last year and a half. They improved on their symbols. They improved so much on everything, but they've always had this canvas, and when you got something good, if it's not broken, why fix it? So I think it's perfect. The canvas is perfect. Their print quality is excellent, and their charters always deserve a big hand and a big thank you from me, because I really enjoy their hand charting, and that's what makes me, one of the big reasons that makes me keep coming back to Diamond Art Club. So check it out. Let me know what was your favorite between the 3 that I showed, and hopefully you were able to catch all 3. If not, you can always find them on my page on YouTube, or you can look in the link, because I always put the link up there. Well, in all 3 videos, the link will be up there for the other videos in this series. So hopefully you got some good deals on Black Friday. Hopefully you had a nice time with your family for Thanksgiving weekend. Let me know which one was your favorite of, well, I could say all 45 that they released on Friday. Let me know which was your favorite. Don't forget to get that last minute 25% off. And I pray I can get these 3 up before midnight is up and the sale is over. If not, I am terribly sorry. So yes, please give me a thumbs up, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd really love to have you join me as one of my subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video. So have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.